Yeah, greetings. My name is Thomas Huber and I'm here representing Creation. My place is called Rastafari Herbal Gardens, and my claim to fame here is a collection of exotic fruit trees, and I also participate in Rasta Liberty for quite a while. And it is my duty and obligation to share those two things with the populace of Jamaica and also international. Whoever comes, we try to entertain them. Next to you is the Suriname cherry. This is the purple one. You're free to pick some. Look for the darkest one, try them. I'm blessed to have some visitors from my home country, the Shalen and Shami from Switzerland. They have been here a few days and plan to stay another couple weeks. So they are assisting me here and learning about this life. Out here there's a couple special trees. Those two there, the twins, that is white chocolate or patoxte. It's kind of rare. This one should soon bear. The pod looks similar to our chocolate that we know, and the seed inside is a bit different. This is bilimbi, also known as tree cucumber. I believe it's originally from Southeast Asia. I use them mostly when they drop and still look good, when they're a little bit soft. When I don't have enough in the kitchen, I sometimes pick them from the tree as well. They're rich in vitamins. That was part of my corona medicine. I make lemon juice and bilimbi juice together with ginger, turmeric, cayenne pepper. And I never had no problem in those what were supposed to be challenging times. This one is a more common one, mulberry. That has been around for a while, and I see people posting on Facebook about it. So here you can see the leaves better. Manila tambourine, it's a fruit. And basically all fruits are rich in enzymes, vitamins, minerals, and generally all fruits are good for you. And my point to that is, you know, if you like them, they're probably good for you. If they don't so tasty to you, maybe that's not your type of fruit. We are ingrafting here. This is from a bearing black sapoti tree, and we have a seedling, so we would want them to bear sooner and to also make sure they're sure bear, because seedlings from black sapoti is a 50% chance that they don't bear fruits. Still plant the trees because it's a very valuable lumber tree. Ebony wood comes from it. Here you see a little bit from the nursery. Part of my life's mission here is to fruitify the island. I don't think it's fair that I'm the only one who lives in paradise, you know, and have access to all those fruits. So last year, a couple of friends of mine and me, we registered a company. It's an NGO, Fruitify the Islands. And our goal is to distribute those fruits island-wide. So we're looking for farmers, homeowners, landowners, guerrilla farmers who are willing to plant fruit trees on other people's land. Anything to fruitify the island.